Hi guys, my name is Laura Shield. I actually have a job right now where I work with a doctor that does hematology. This is a blood disorder. I work with different people, different types of people that have needs like, especially insurance and things like that. It's really the core part of my job is I deal with a lot of people that are socially, economically in decline, and that's a really a big piece of what I deal with. I think most of the stuff we deal with on or anybody, I guess, has to do with trauma in their past, trauma with the way you were raised, trauma with just everything. And I totally believe that is the root of all of our evils. I think that the reason I want to do this class is I get more of a focus on what I'm dealing with, and how I can support the people that I'm working with. And I want to just make sure I'm doing everything correctly. I want to make sure that these people are getting the best out of me. I want to do that now. I want to do it in my future job with social work. I think what I want to start doing for self-care, I love walks in the park with just focusing only on me. I like pedicures, manicures. I love massages. I love massages. I think that's what I want to start, focus on when I'm going to do my self-care. That's the things that I want to focus on. I can't wait to hear from the rest of you, and I hope I talk to you guys soon. Thanks.